Hello and welcome to another episode on the Commodore 64. It's been 2 days. I don't have no Xbox yesterday because the plug decided to break on me. And I do play the Commodore 64 through the Xbox as well, so it's a bit awkward trying to do videos. But yeah, I'm back. We're going to do a couple of videos today and then take it from there. So the next game we got on the Commodore 64 is Breakdance. Now, I can't see how this is going to be fun, but we'll do a 9-minute video, so let's go. We'll see how it goes. I've never actually seen this before. Repeat odd feet's move, don't make a mistake or you will whack out. Let's see what we gotta do. I go on F1. Oh, that was it. That must have been F1. Okay. I whacked out already. Okay, I'm trying to learn the moves. Bear with me. So, oh, no, okay. Okay, so it's the button to do that. Oh, I got whacked out. I thought I had it then. I was doing really good then. Right, so that was Hot Feet Dance Contest. Let's have a look at some of the other modes. Eliminate all opponents by duplicating their moves before they push you in the river. So let's try this one then. How come he's not going? I don't get it. So, yeah. Let's try that again. keep pressing the cross for that one. Oh well. Right, let's have a look at another mould. Because there's quite a few moulds on this one. Let's get back in. Come on. Right. Perfection's dance puzzle. Put the dance steps in the right order to win blasters. I don't see. Oh my god. I've failed this one straight away. Right, let's get out of that one. Problem is you can't go back to the menu. You have to go right the way out and then... Right. That one's a little bit tricky. Choreograph your own dance. Make your own dance out of the 14 basic moves. Grand loop. Play all 3 games and attempt to make it into the Breakdance Hall of Fame. Let's try this. Oh no, I got whacked out. I pressed the spin too early. Come on, don't give me a chance. What? Oh, I got confused then. Oh, this one again. I hate this one. Oh god. That. Up. Oh my god. Yeah, I don't get this one because sometimes you do exactly what they do, and then they don't get blown up. It's like it's a little bit rigged. Right, I'm going to end here. I've had enough now. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that one. I'm not enjoying this game as much as the last game that I played, but yeah, not too bad. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all next time. Bye.